Hey Nation, this is JT Crowder 49 here with got my Marq. I've been talking to some of you guys that have Russian Legions, and I've been having a problem with the supercharger kit that I put in it. So not really a problem in achieving velocity, because I'm getting my velocity and it's pretty consistent, but it's making this sound and it worries me. I know I talked to one guy and he told me that the video would be a good idea. That way everybody can understand what it's doing. But just a quick explanation of what's going on is when I had my stock engine in there, it shot great, and it was really quiet, surprisingly. It's quieter than I thought this gun would be. But I dropped the supercharger kit in there, and now it sounds like you can hear metal on metal sound. I don't know how good the quality will be when on my phone here, but let's just see. I haven't checked my pressures yet, but I'll check them right after, and I'll post it up on the board so everybody can read it, and maybe some of you guys can give me an idea, or maybe I'm just being paranoid and there's nothing wrong with my gun. So here, this is what it sounds like. All right. I hope you guys could hear that. You hear the sound it makes. The smack sounds like metal smacking when the bolt returns back to the firing position. But anyway, that's the video. Thanks, guys. Look forward to seeing your comments and suggestions.